high-paying skills that you need as a digital marketer or a social media marketer, and where to learn them. Part 1. Content strategy. Content strategy is the foundation of almost every successful social media marketing campaign. It aligns your brand's voice with the specific needs of your audience. But don't confuse content strategy with content creation. While content creation is a big part of the process, a content strategist is the architect. With a content strategy, you aren't just making content. You're determining why you are making the content, who it's for, and how it will drive measurable results for your business or brand. If you run into content creation without a strategy, you may spend a long time to see good results that you want. To excel at this skill as a content strategist, you need a blend of both creative skills and analytical skills. Number 1, understand audience personas. You must be able to research and profile or identify your ideal customer so that your content actually resonates with them. For example, when working with community pharmacy brands, our persona can be a mom with children getting flu, cold, and cough oftenly, or young women, sexually active, suffering with recurrent yeast infections, and so on. So by understanding our target audience, creating content for them becomes very easy. Number 2, understand SEO fundamentals. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a skill on its own. But as a content strategist, you realize that even great content is useless if no one finds it. So learning keyword research and search intent is very, very vital. When I first worked with this brand, Masapharm Pharmacy, as a digital marketer, you could not find it in Google research results or in any other search engine. But 6 months later, when you just search Masapharm on Google, you'll get every necessary information regarding this brand, from the brand's mission, services offered, and so much more. This is because the company intentionally invested in what we call organic traffic, or organic SEO, through the educative content we make for our members on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Another important factor for ranking high on Google was adding the brand to Google's business profile listings. Because of that, now anyone can easily read reviews received from other beneficiaries of the company's services as social proof, and also they are able to get the company contacts and exact location and so much more. That is the power of search engine optimization. Number 3, content auditing and planning. This is the ability to analyze your existing content to see what's performing well and what needs to be updated or removed. It also includes using tools like Notion and Metricool to schedule and post consistently, but of course strategically. The best part about these digital marketing skills we are going to learn, starting with this part 1, they are very simple and you can learn them from your home. Here are my top recommendations for where to start learning digital marketing and specifically content strategizing. Number 1 is Google Digital Garage. Their Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course provides a solid high-level overview of how content fits into the broader digital marketing ecosystem. I personally took this course and it really helped me understand the digital marketing world. So if you want to get started for free, you don't have money to pay for the courses on Coursera, you can always try out this course here. Number 2 is YouTube. Now, you can learn a lot of stuff from YouTube. Personally, I can literally say I'm a graduate of the YouTube University. Why? Because I follow the industry experts, and you can do the same. People like Brian Dean or the SEMrush channel for up-to-date tactical advice concerning digital marketing and all other tactical advice. So, content strategy is the engine that will power your digital marketing machine. Master this one skill and you'll be an indispensable asset to any brand when it comes to digital marketing. In part 2, we are going to look at content creation as another vital skill for a digital marketer or a social media marketer. So make sure to follow this TikTok account, subscribe on YouTube if you're watching me on YouTube, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on the next video. I'm Jim Newton, by the way, a medic and a digital marketer, helping my fellow youth harness digital skills to build income beyond salary. If you want to join our family, make sure to follow the account, subscribe, and if you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer each of you. Otherwise, peace. See you in the next one.